scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Test 5 gives away the answer fast because one missing domain still allows interaction, and that clue tells us exactly which claim the data supports. Start with test 5 and focus only on what changed. Domain F is missing there, so we ask whether the proteins can still interact without that specific domain present. The key data point is that test 5 still shows a positive protein-protein interaction, and that means interaction happens even when domain F is absent, which is the whole point. Since domain F is absent and interaction still occurs, domain F cannot be required for protein-protein interaction, so that directly supports option B. Well done! Option B, scan now. The trap is rushing past the signs. Trust the given data and check each step before deciding.